Well, by now in this series, you should understand that I believe launching a business requires a lot of forethought and time. So you've gotten all the other steps in place. You've gotten action on those particular issues we've covered thus far. You're at a place now where we can talk about the marketing infrastructure. So we're going to have a few videos on this topic. Here's what we're going to cover. How to launch a clean, client-friendly website. Pretty easy nowadays. Setting up and branding your social media. So if you're going to have content that's going to roll out, how are you going to announce it to the world? You're just going to open up a Facebook account and say, hey, I got a new business? Or are you going to have content already laid out so it doesn't look empty and bare? Who's your audience? You've already done that work before. Early on, we've identified who they are, but now we're going to take it a step further. Maybe have a value proposition to clarify and build out a 30, even a 60-day marketing campaign that fits your budget.